Hi Michelle, it's Colin. Yeah, sorry I wasn't able to get back to you earlier than this, but I've updated your font. There was something wrong with your link to your Font Awesome file, so I've updated that, and now you should have all the little bits and pieces back, the ones that you were missing. That's probably fixed a lot of different things within the page that were broken. Okay, so that one fix. Okay, and then we get into the photo gallery questions. You had a lot of questions about that. Let me see if I can go find that. I've actually logged into your site, if you don't mind. Pages, let's take a look at the photo gallery page here. Go on. Okay, photo gallery page there. And let me just have a look here. I'm just going to view the page. Let's see, we've got the images in there. Okay. Let's have a view. I'll probably open this in another window actually, so I can get a better view of it, because my video window is really small. Okay, excellent. Yeah, found the issue already with the heads being cut off. This particular image right here, the very first one, it's more of a square image. It's not actually a rectangular image. So if I were to save image as, I'm just going to save it to my desktop for a second so I can actually go look at it. I'm just going to look at the properties of it. Here's the properties and details. So it says 16 by 12. Let me just check more into this. Sorry, I didn't even do the math. 16 by 12 is a 4:3 ratio. Go 16 by 9. That'll solve your problem right there. Pretty much every monitor out there right now, think about it. All the monitors that you're looking at are pretty much a 16 by 9 ratio. There's very few that are 4:3, which is a 16 by 12. So go with, it works okay. It's fine. 16 by 12 is fine where you're using scenic pictures, right? But when you start putting people in there with faces, then you really have to start tweaking it up a little bit. So go with a image that is 16 by 9, okay, and see how that does. Actually, I wonder if I can do that right here in your site. Okay, I'm not going to bother cropping in here. I'm actually going to add a new item. I'm just going to call it Collins one, just so I can identify it. There it is there. So that's the image there. Okay, that's good. And that's, you see this ratio here is dimension 16 by 9. So let's just try that out and see what happens. Okay, so we see that one there, faces nicely in, and then there's the comparison just by changing the size. You see how it goes off there. So that's all the problem is just the ratio. And like I said, I guess it really depends more on what type of pictures are in there, just like any photography. The focal point here, right? This one looks pretty good here. Yeah, so 16 by 9 is going to be the size that you're going to want to go with on that one.